Hello everyone, today I have something special for your taste buds. Parmesan taco, beef tartare and egg yolk emulsion. So let's make it. And let's start with my Parmesan tacos.
I spread a generous amount of cheese on the tray. With baking paper, I shape it into a nice ring, the size I like, and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius until it turns a light gold brown, usually around 7 to 10 minutes. Then you have to move quickly. Bend it using some kind of tool, and within a minute, once it cools down, you have got your taco shell. My water is boiling now, so I drop in a few eggs and cook them for about 9 minutes to get a simple hard-boiled eggs. Now for the next taco, I'm using finely grated Parmesan, so you can see the difference. Same size as before, into the oven it goes. The eggs are done, so I transfer them into the cold water and let's finish second taco. With the fine cheese, it works the same, the only difference is the texture, so use whatever type you prefer. Now I will make my egg emulsion. I mix egg yolks with lemon juice, salt and melted butter. I'm using 4 small egg yolks and about 70 grams of butter. This one on its own would be thick, so you will need to loosen it with a little bit of water. Just keep adding little by little until you get nice smooth consistency.
And now, let's finally start with the meat.
I have got a nice piece of beef tenderloin here. I placed it into the freezer for about 15 minutes to make it firmer and easier to cut. You can use different techniques, but this cut separates beautifully, so I just dice it finely with a knife. And of course, if the meat is on the table, the food inspector is always nearby. So let's give him a taste test. And he approves it, so we can continue. For the seasoning, you can go in many directions, but here is my favorite version. Finely chopped shallots and pickled gherkins. A bit of mustard, salt, pepper and oil. And my secret ingredients, mushroom dust. So basically just dry mushrooms blended into the powder. It adds an amazing umami kick. I mix everything properly and let's fill up our tacos. Add as much tartare as you like. I put quite a lot. A few dots of egg emulsion and finish it with some edible flowers on the top. And honestly, this is easily in top 3 tastiest recipes I have ever made on my channel, so I highly recommend you to try it.
And if you want to learn another tasty snack, check out this video and learn how you can make onion amis bujar at home. Thank you for watching guys, and I see you soon.